Good day, everyone. Today, we'll explore how Unilab, a leading pharmaceutical company, can leverage the principles outlined in collecting information and forecasting demand to maintain its competitive edge. We will first take a look at the dynamic market that is the pharmaceutical industry where Unilab leads, then find out how to collect and forecast demand for their medicine. Finally, we see how data driven decisions could give us a healthier future. Unilab operates in a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape. New therapies emerge constantly. Some surgeries or therapies make some drugs obsolete. Patients today are more empowered when it comes to buying medication due to several factors, like access to information, telemedicine, online pharmacies, mobile apps, and generic options. Regulations and compliance are also changed. Activities that we are doing today might be illegal or unethical tomorrow. Thus, Unilab needs a finger on the pulse of the market. This chapter emphasizes accurate demand for forecasting. For Unilab, this means anticipating the needs of patients and healthcare providers for essential medicine. With proper forecasting, Unilab can optimize production and distribution, ensuring timely access to life saving treatments. But how? We collect data using Unilab's marketing information system. Unilab has internal record system to check historical sales data. Past sales analysis is a useful tool to arrive at a forecast number with minimum error. Unilab could also use marketing intelligence system wherein they could talk to customers, read publications, and talk to their suppliers for the latest fads, trends, and megatrends. Lastly, Unilab can leverage market research to pinpoint patient populations with unmet need. This targeted approach allows for efficient resource allocation when launching new products and expanding into new markets. By embracing a data driven approach, Unilab can make informed decisions across all departments, from research and development, manufacturing, and to sales and marketing. Access to accurate real time insights empowers Unilab to drive innovation and deliver better health outcomes. In conclusion, by applying the principles of collecting information and forecasting demand, Unilab can navigate the complexities of the pharmaceutical market, optimize its operations, and ultimately fulfill its mission of improving lives through innovative healthcare solutions. This has been Jose Florencio Corral. I hope we all learned something new. Thank you and ingat.